what's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S. Performance today in the driveway got duped into this one. Toro recycling, which I love. What I don't like is the Kohler. I hate this engine. I do not work on these, but I got tricked. So I don't have a choice. Now, what I also don't understand is that this is here too for the drive. Social distancing. Now, if I would have seen this, I would have refused it right off the bat. But it's here. I don't have a choice. Do not like Kohlers. Probably one of the worst engines ever here in the States. I don't know what you guys have across the UK. I do not like their vacuum actuated choke system. It's very faulty, very gimmicky. I could care less to try and diagnose and fix them. On the older ones, I used to bypass it and you could install a manual throttle choke cable. But you can only do it on certain kinds. And after a while, after doing a couple conversions, I just wrote them off. I used to just say no more. I don't even buy them to fix and flip. If they come in running, they go out running. Okay? I hate them. Do not. But anyway, I'll show you the screenshot. She says that last year, she had trouble getting it started, but her husband got it running with seafoam. This year, she said she was able to make one pass, which we can verify with the fresh grass on the back, and it died. Check the oil. Dirty, but there. Now, she does have a repair take from another repair shop. So, yeah, maybe they refuse this too. Because, like I said, I hate Kohlers. So let's verify the repair. Well, it runs and dies. Damn it. Alright, so I just sold the Honda in the Honda. I was tempted to take one of them like weird flex photos like I did with the Toro SR4, and I posted it on Instagram, but it got a lot of love. See? So a little bit of spray paint goes a long way. Now the only reason why I didn't do a weird flex photo is because now the Honda is black on black and the lawnmower was not black on black. Maybe the next one I do, we will do black on black and do a weird flex photo. So, let's see. Now, in case y'all don't know, before we get down and dirty, there's a fuel filter in here, just so you know. There's a little screen named a jammer. So this thing runs and dies. So we're going to start with a carburetor service, and then some fresh grass. So this air filter is good. Yeah, this is good. 10 millimeter. Alright, so let's start with the basics. 10 millimeter, just like a Honda. Let's get this out of the way. This is our crankcase breather. Uh-oh. What was that? That's a spacer. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. See, look, this is garbage. Jesus. Alright, let's get this crankcase breather out of the way. And look, here's the vacuum. Oh my god. God, I hate these. I really, really do. Let me clean this all up. Just a quick blow job. And here's the other spacer. Ooh, it actually comes off with the gasket. Alright. Alright. God, look at this vacuum. God. As you can tell, I do not like Kohlers. Okay, so that gasket comes out. Nice. Alright, let's put that back. Alright, let me get some pliers. Alright, swing that. Now remember, I'm going to drain the gas out. So here are my hose clamp pliers, see? Alright, and we're just going to try not to damage this fuel line, even though I have a feeling it's going to happen. This is on there pretty tight. Oh, see, yeah, I ripped it. Alright, that's tough. Alright, so let's rip it. That's tough. Alright, we'll cut that out later. And then we will have the straddling you guys in between my legs for the shot. This is your token lever. So let's pull that out. Oh. Let's get this one out because that's nice and easy. This one here. So we have to get this out. Not stopping it. I hate this carburetor. If you guys can't tell. There you go. So I just kind of forced it. I think we might just try and do this quick and dirty. Because of all this extra BS linkage. I feel like this is like almost like a press on. I really don't want to remove that. Alright, we're going to try and... Oh my god! Did I tell you I hate this carburetor? Did I tell you that? If we undo these two Torx, then yeah. Alright, so we're going to undo these two Torx screws right here, and that'll free us up. A T20. Let's undo these. Yep, T20. Stick those to the side. Okay. Now we still need to just somehow unhook this. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to slide this out. Oh, come on. And I'm just playing with the angles to get this out. Come on. Come on. Alright, so let's press onward. Here's our carburetor. Let's get this. Alright, so 10 millimeter. All of this has to come apart. Millimeter. Let's get this out. A little bit of rust. Not too shabby. Take this out. This comes out here. like so. Then on its side, and we got to get that main jet out. Right, flat tip screwdriver. Just twist. Oh, look at that. See, look, you see a little bit of corrosion here? So that's the carburetor for sure. Okay. So we're going to twist and the jet's going to come out in 2 pieces. It's just stuck. So there we go. Let's get some carb clean and spray it down the keystock. Alright, now I might get the camera wet. Stick it inside, right? And you're going to see all these jets pop out. All these little jets. See? Clear. Clear. So right down the hole. Is there anything down the middle? Yep. These jets here. Okay. Now it's not surging, so I'm not going to pull this. I really, you know what? Do I have my phone? This will take it out. We're going to pop this out. So let's count the threads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threads. Show. This is your idle circuit. If your lawnmower runs and surges, for the most part, it's your idle circuit that is clogged. This little thing right here. So same thing, spray it down the hole. And same thing here. Okay. Pop that back in. Remember, 6 threads were showing. You could either do that or count the turns. I like to just count threads. Like so. Alright, let's put this back together. This flat tip goes in, and then the jet where the screwdriver goes in next. Now, if I didn't break that stupid plastic thing, you could probably see if this thing runs. I'd rather just get this carburetor all together, and then I'm going to try and glue it. I mean, unless I said, listen, there is a disclosure. I did order a new one. I'll put the correct part number in the description. Because I'm an idiot, blame Mrs. PATTAY'S performance. I'm not going to go into detail why, but whatever. She's rushing me. So let's cut this fuel line. We gotta drain out this gas too. So just pulled it out of the holder and let it drain out. That's a quick and easy way. Alright, so while that's draining, we will slide this back on. And for the meantime, we're just going to try and glue this. See if we can get this thing running. The gluing is only a temporary repair. I did order a new one. I will put the part number in the description as well. So let's... I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. Let's get these in there. Because then hopefully, with the carburetor being installed, it'll help me hold that plastic piece in. This is where a plastic welder would really come in handy. Alright. Let's get these screws back in. Start these by hand. Where's the other one? Okay, now here is what we're talking about. So that doesn't seem right, like so. No. Alright, so I crazy glued it as a temporary repair, just to confirm that everything is fine. So now I'm just putting this back together and then making sure the spacers are in the correct spot. Here is, that's in there. Okay, the crankcase is hooked up. So let's put spacers in here. So this is this big fat one. This big fat spacer go here. So that's weird. That spacer. Simply like there. So where the heck does this big fat spacer go? On. Like I said, I ordered that exhaust piece. So let's figure that out. Oh, you know what? I think I know exactly where that came off. This is the CARB cover. What a stupid design. So this spacer, right, goes right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. In between the housing, right there. It's been so long, I forgot how much I hated that. Kohler crap. Kohler crap. I'm just going to use my hose clamp pliers to hold this in place, and I can just sneak that in. Alright, there we go. Alright, for testing purposes only, we are going to see if it held. And then from there we can confirm that the carburetor is the issue and nothing else. Like I said, we hope this holds. Remember, this thing ran and died. So all we have to do is pray that this thing just stays running, even if the auto choke is messed up. Because even if the auto choke is messed up, at least we know where to go from there. Ugh. Alright, let's see if it holds. If it continues to run, we're good. Alright, winner chicken dinner. And then I guess we will do part 2. Actually, the crazy glue held, which is fine. Like I said, I'm not going to run it long because I'm going to get the new part in. And I also didn't put the gasket between the intake and the carburetor. But like I said, now we know carburetor was the issue. Fresh gas, good to go. I don't know if I'll be able to get a chance to vlog the installation, but it's pretty straightforward. 1, 2, is there a third bolt? Maybe 3. 2 or 3, okay? But that's the one I ordered. I don't know if we'll get that done, but let me. I also reached out to my buddy to see if he has an extra one too. So if I have to order it, no demo video. If I can get a new one in, we're gonna do it. All right, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, which means you have to pull this off, you cannot try and sneak it out like I tried to. Do not do that. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later. Alright, so listen, I got the part in for my buddy 5-speed Ash. I have to replace it. I'm going to get him the new one that I ordered. But check out my scrap guy I just dropped off. This is a super recycler. I've never seen this one before. Another Kohler that I hate. Another one of these. Now, I just want to do this for you guys because I'm curious. Because this one's actually worth trying to get an engine for. This thing has no gas in it. But let's see if it just starts. Alright, so let me show you what an idiot I am and how easy it is to take this off. I was a moron for not doing this. This is what we broke, and it was literally just 2 bolts because I was rushing. I don't even have to take off the engine cowling if I wanted to, but for demonstration purposes, I might. See, like I just broke the top. If I would have taken an extra 5 minutes instead of rushing, I could have avoided it. Saved me $20 now, even though my buddy was like, listen man, don't worry about it. That's not how it works. See? Look at that. Forget about that. Pull this out. There's our top bolt right here. And I wonder, see, and the crazy glue repair worked. But I can't do that to her. Remember, what did we talk about? Doing the right thing. Then we're going to do this other nut on the other side. And look, comes right off. Good job, Jason. We need to be an idiot. So then let's spin this around. This is the part I broke, like an idiot. Even though mine looks a little different, this should be the right one. We're just holding it in. So that'll hold the sides. Let's undo this right here. You know what, I'm rushing you because I got a lot of stuff to do today. Sorry, pal. I'm just fixing a F-up. Don't forget that one bolt, alright? That spacer is going to fall out. So make sure we got to capture that spacer. Okay. Yeah, it held really good. So let's get this out of the way. Oh, gotta do this dance all over again. T27. 1, 2. So I guess this video is good in case you make the same mistake as me and you screwed it up. But hopefully you watched this video before you did it and you mess it up on your own. So let's sneak this out. Why are you being such a pain? There we go. Oh. Come on. Please don't break. This is a little different. It broke, of course. Oh, and actually I have a parts machine over there. So even though this is different, it should be the same. So, yep, this is going to work. 5-speed Ash, he knows he is my knight in shining armor. He knows. 5-speed Ash to the rescue. So, this thing is done. I can call her up. She'll be happy. I should have had this done yesterday. She would have been super happy. Normally, I don't prepare things the same day for people, but I am on such a time crunch that I have to. And there are a little backstory behind getting this repair done in a timely fashion. If you guys remember, I was telling you about there's another guy. There's a lot of people who do repairs in my area. But there's another one. There's someone who does repairs, right? And every time he posts something or somebody refers him, and I'm saying there's nothing wrong with that. But his only claim to fame or hook or catch is that he does free pickup and delivery, which I don't. Okay, but I did on this one. But I'm going to do what I am going to do what he does and just work it into the bill. Because nobody works for free. And I will take that to the grave. 110%. So, I'll work pickup and delivery into the bill. And my turnaround time will be faster than his. Because like I said, now, more than ever, you have people who have lawnmowers and other pieces of equipment that they've never had before. So I am just taking care of that because 3 people referred me for a lawnmower repair and 2 people referred him, and he chimed in and they said what he said. Oh, volunteer firefighter. Like, that's your only qualification. Really? Really? How about pictures of your work? How about things you do? Or, I put pictures up of Mandingo. Put pictures up, because I do pickup and delivery. See what happens when you rush. Can we sneak this through? Do we really? No, I don't want to break it. You can't sneak this through. So coil goes over. So that's his only claim to fame. Volunteer firefighter. Absolutely nothing wrong with being a volunteer firefighter. Thank you for your service. 110%. But when it comes to money, dog eat dog world. Sorry. That's just the way it goes. So we have, there we go, in. You see that, guys? If I would have taken my time instead of rushing, again, I would have never had to deal with this. And like I said, the affiliate link for these parts. I'll even put the carburetor in the affiliate link too, just in case. Okay? That's how I'll make up for the parts on this. You guys purchase parts, you guys watch ads. That'll go towards my Fugazi fund. It is what it is. It's all in good fun. I hope you guys found this entertaining, because I sure haven't. And I bet you, you guys laugh, right? You guys joke around, right? I never edit out my shortcomings, right? I am human, just like you. I will make mistakes, just like you, right? We all joke around about me with spark plug wires, which, that should be a good practice. Uncle Pete, Uncle Ed, Uncle Rob, right? And all you other guys that break my chops, right? I really shouldn't be doing that. I really should be pulling the spark plug out, right? Number one. Number two, that Ryobi generator, I want to be very honest with you. I spent more time than I want to admit playing that video over in my head, trying to figure out when did I turn that switch on. I don't remember why I would turn that switch on. The generator came in not running, right? And you guys see in the video, I checked the switch to make sure it was on. So at what point did I turn it off? There's no need for me to turn it off. The machine wasn't running. But you know what? You guys got a good kick out of it. I mean, and that's all that matters, right? I mean, your entertainment at my expense, right? I guess that's what happens when you become, I can't believe my wife calls us YouTubers, when you become a YouTuber. I don't know. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that term. That's a good question, right? At what point do you turn around and like, hey, I'm a YouTuber? Right? What point, just, whether, if you have a YouTube channel, chime in. You tell me, at what point, this is a loaded question. I like loaded questions. You told people that you were a YouTuber. Was it when you reached a certain amount of subs? Or a certain amount of income? Or a combination of both? And feel free to state that. You know? And I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with becoming a YouTuber. But I don't know, it just sounds funky. You know what I like better? A union heavy-duty diesel mechanic. Not a trade. I like that. That sounds better. What do you think? Just, you know, it's so funny how fate played out, right? I had a scrap guy would drop off two Toros, one with a Kohler on it that I could take the parts from. Alright, let's see if this works. First pull. Alright guys, I gotta get this machine cleaned up. I have to sharpen the blade for her, drop this off, get some good feedback, and yeah. If you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, frustrating, like me, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And huge shout out to 5 Speed Ash, brother. Really appreciate it. Later.